Ever wanted to make your Instagram bio more dynamic and engaging? Hi, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I'll show you how to add username and hashtag links to Instagram bio. Let's begin by opening Instagram. Then go to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you can see Edit Profile at the bottom of your profile picture. Tap on it. Then click on Bio. To add username on a bio, type @. Tap on the username that you want to add. Now to add hashtag links, first type hash and then type the hashtag that you want to add. And that's how you can add username and hashtag links to Instagram bio. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.